Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the location of your iPhone from your computer. So in order to do this, we need to make sure that the Find My feature is actually enabled on iPhone. So you want to go to the settings, you can tap on your name in order to open the Apple account settings or Apple ID settings. And then go to Find My, and over here you can, for instance, enable Share My Location. You can also go to Find My iPhone, and you can enable Find My iPhone, Find My network, in order to make sure that you can also find your device when you are offline. And also you can enable Send Last Location, so that when the battery is critically low, the location is sent to Apple anyway. So once you have these things enabled, now of course on the Mac it is fairly easy to find, simply because you also have the Find My app on the Mac. So you can go there and you should find your iPhone over here. However, if you have a Windows PC or laptop, then in this case you need to go to iCloud.com. You will need to sign in to the same Apple account that you use on your iPhone, and then once you are on this website, you can find the Find My app over here. You can click in order to open the location. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!